Have you ever downloaded a PDF file and wondered how to open it quickly in Google Chrome without saving it to your Downloads folder? Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to open PDF files using Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. Let's walk through it step by step. It only takes about a minute. Click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy and Security. Then scroll down and click Site Settings. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the web page and click on the button labeled Additional Content Settings. Now scroll further down until you see PDF Documents. Click on this menu item. Here, you can change the default behavior for PDF files. It is already set to open PDFs in Chrome. If it is not set for you, click the radio button to enable it. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.